मडगाव हांगच्या दक्षिण गोंय जिल्लो हॉस्पिटलांत गंभीर परिस्थिती निर्माण जाल्या आणि थंय शवागार पुराय क्षमतेन पावला. पालिकेन दवरिल्ल्या कुडीचेर हक्क सांगूंक ना. नव्या युतीक सुवात मेळना. पालिकेचे मुखेल अधिकारी मधु नार्वेकर हांणी सांगले की सध्या 21 कुडी शवागारांत पडिल्ले आसात. पालिकेन अतिरिक्त जिल्लो अधिकाऱ्याक कळयला आणि सुमार 15 लाख रुपयांची थकबाकी फारीक करपाची विनंती केल्या. निधी बेगोबेग मंजूर जाल्यो ना जाल्यार कुडी हलवप टप्प उरतले आणि संकट आनीक वाडटले अशी शिटकावणी अधिकाऱ्यांनी दिला. आता बेगोबेग कारवाई करून सुविधेत सुवात परतून मेळोवपा खातीर अधिकाऱ्यांचेर दबाव आसा.
We have a well-equipped morgue and which is there by our associate professor from GMC, Dr. Madhu. We are working very fine and proudly all this while I was telling each and everybody that there is not a single occasion from the time that I have joined, say maybe 3.5 वर्षां असो एकूय प्रसंग येवना की wherein we had to send some dead body saying that our morgue is full. So all this attempt is that to continue the good service. Currently आता झालं कितें, गुड फ्रायडे येता त्याचे पयलीं that full week our आमचे जे कॅथलीक भाव भयणां आसात they don't perform the final rites in these days. So most of them would want to keep their dead bodies in the morgue. आणि as per our statistics, जवळ आमकां दिसाक 15 beds are occupied by the dead bodies. So therefore we are afraid of some crunch because of all these factors. But हे सगळें जावपाक एक इश्यू आमचो असो आसा की we have some bodies which आमचे पोस्टमॉर्टम बी सगळें जाल्लें आसा. दीस बॉडीज आर विथ अस फॉर से लास्ट 1.5 month आणि अश्यो बॉडीज जवळ जवळ आमच्या कडेन 18 बॉडीज आसात विच वी हॅव ऑलरेडी रिक्वेस्टेड टू म्युनिसिपालिटी की ह्या बॉडीचे फायनल रायट्स मातशे करचे आणि वेकेट अवर कॅबिनेट्स म्हणून. बट फॉर सम रिजन म्युनिसिपालिटी द वे दे वर डुईंग ऑल दीस वायल they are not able to do these final rites and ते आमचे cabinets empty जायना. Going through it is understood that they are needing some funds आणि ते funds त्यांका अजून पर्यंत मिळूना. They are waiting for those funds to perform these final rites. So I had a talk with the municipality chairman also. Even today morning I had a talk with him and he from his side he is trying all out to get some fund and he has promised me that at the earliest these bodies will be disposed of. So that is the issue.
ओके सर, हे आता इतले जायचे परस आमी ते इलेक्ट्रीक जर हे वापरले जाल्यार कित्याक बऱ्याक पडपाक शकता.
ॲक्च्युली काळाची पावलां वळखून म्हाका दिसता की दॅट वूड बी द बेस्ट बिकॉज इमिडिएटली तें जाता, ताका व्हडलो खर्चूय बी येना. But some agency will have to take the onus of getting that electrical आमकां जें करपाचें आसता तेजी हें करची पडटली. But definitely we are thinking in those terms now because that also will prevent, if you see environmentally we are using lot of wood also for that. Forget about the cost. So तें वूडूय आमचें प्रोटेक्ट जातलें, स्मोकूय जातलो आणि इट इज अ गुड वे ऑफ डुईंग इट. काळाची गरज आसा. In metropolitan cities now nobody has this method. They prefer electrical only.
हॉस्पिटला कडल्यान कितें प्रपोजल्स वयतली गव्हर्मेंटाक?
आतां हेजेर विचार करचोच पडटलो आमकां. वी वील डू इट.
मडगांव मोर्चरींत म्युनिसिपालिटीन दवरलेल्यो बॉडीज आसात त्यो डिस्पोज जालना. ह्या खातीर मोर्चरींत सुवात नाजाल्यार बॉडी दुसऱ्यो दवरूंक जाय तो कास्तीक जाता. तुमी हे कशें रिएक्ट करता सर?
See, I have sent a letter to additional collector. One, there is a lot of amount is pending, more than 15,21,700 of all the dead bodies. More than 21 bodies has been found in the correspondence which is pending. There is a 2-3 times correspondence also reminder also sent to the additional collector. The payment is required to pay to the council.